Example number 14. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection. Already definition completed. Trisection. Trisection means the points divide a line segment into three equal parts are said to be to the sectional points. This is the points. Points which divides the line segment in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. P1:2. AB line segment. P divides 1 total 1, 2, 3 parts. P divides 1:2 ratio. This is the 1 plus 1 2 1:2 ratio. Q divides 1 1 2. Q divides AB bar in the ratio 2:1. This is the 2 parts. This is the 1 part. P divides 1:2 ratio. Q divides 2:1. This is the trisectional points. Already complete my definition. Line segment AB A 2 comma to B minus 7 4. First given points take. Let P comma be the points of trisection. P comma be the points of trisection. AB or AB bar line segment. That is AP is to 3 equal parts. AP is to PQ is to QB. 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. AP is to PQ is to QB. P divides in the ratio 1:2. Q divides in the ratio Q. AB divides AB bar in the ratio 2:1. P divides 1:2. Q divides 2:1. Okay. First to find PQ points. Find PQ points. Trisection points. Trisection same distance AP equal PQ equal to QB. P divides AB bar in the ratio 1:2. Q AB bar in the ratio 2:1. First 1 by 1. P divides AB bar in the ratio 1:2. P divides 1:2. P equal to right formula M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 comma y M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. M1 plus 1 x2 plus minus 7 plus M2 2 y1 x1 y1 M2 x1 plus 2 by 1 plus M1 plus M2 M1 1 plus 2 M1 1 y2 4 plus M2 2 y1 minus 2 by M1 plus M2. 1 into minus 7 plus 2 into 2 4 by 3. 1 into 4 4. 2 plus into minus. Bracket means into plus into minus 2 2 4. Minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 by 3. 3 ones minus 1. 4 minus 4 0 by 3. 0 by 3 means 0. P complete. P divides 1:2 ratio. Q divides 2:1. Q divides AB bar, same AB bar, line segment AB bar in the ratio 2:1. This is the M1, this is the M2. The same x1 y1 x2 y2 same. x1 y1 x2 y2 same. Q equal to Q means the coordinates of Q. The coordinates of Q or Q equal to Q is the point. Coordinates of Q. This is the x coordinate, y coordinate. Same right formula. Substitute values M1 2 x2 minus 7 plus M2 1 x1 2 by M1 plus 2 plus 1 3. Same M1 2 y2 4 plus M2 1 into y1 minus 2 by 2 plus 1 2 plus 1. Actually writing M1 plus 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 2 plus 1 3. 2 into minus 7 minus 14 plus 2 into 1 2 2 into 4 8. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 1 plus into minus 1 into 2 2 minus 2 minus 14 plus 2 minus 12 by 3. 3 ones 3 fours. 8 minus 2 6 3 ones 3 twos minus 4 comma. The required points of trisection PQ or points of trisection P minus 1 comma 0 Q minus 4 comma 2. This is the points of trisection means points divides AB bar line segment in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. P divides 1:2, Q divides 2:1. Next, do this problem. Find the point which divides the line segment joining the points AB internally in the ratio. Given points x1, y1, x2, y2. P divides AB bar in the ratio m1 is to write the substitute values m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3 same m1 y2 10 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 same 2 plus 3 5 2 x2 2 8 16 3 3 is 9 2 10 20 3 5 is 15 25 by 5 5 1s 5 5s 35 by 5 5 1s 5 7s 5 comma 7. This is the divide the point. This is the divide the point. Find midpoint lines segment joining the points 2 comma 7 12 comma minus 7. x1 y1 x2 y2 midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint the midpoint direct write the midpoint equal to coordinates of M equal to midpoint of AB. Direct midpoint equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus direct to write formula midpoint equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 2 plus 12 by 2 7 plus 7 plus minus 7 by 2 y2 minus 7 7 plus minus 7 plus minus 7 plus and minus 7 minus 7 0 2 plus 12 14 2 1s 2 7s 7 comma 0 by 2 0. Find the do this find the centroid of triangle whose vertices A B C. Centroid formula centroid is equal to first given vertices A x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Centroid formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Substitute values x1 minus 4 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 by 3 minus 4 2 plus 2 4 6 plus 6 plus into minus 2 plus 5 minus 4 plus 4 0 by 3 5 plus 6 only plus adding 5 plus 6 11 minus 2 9 by 3 3 1s 3 3s 0 by 3 value 0 9 by 3 value 3 1s 3 3s 0 comma